All right, level 2.
Welcome back.
I've never done this level, so
okay. Well, dude,
I'm gonna
how do
suck
we get
even
that?
worse
How
than
do
I
we
did
get
the
that?
first time.
How do we get that?
You know,
Throw me. Throw me.
jetpack powers.
Look. Wait. Assume the position. No, not you. You're. Oh.
Like that.
Okay, let's go. Okay, dude.
It's just
There's
a
gotta be a
damn
way to
coin.
get
Who
it.
gives a
What does
shit?
it do, though? No. Oh. Oh. Okay, you do that. Shit, Keenan, you didn't let me ride you.
Oh, sorry. I should. Don't say that.
Damn it! Keenan.
Jump up, press both triggers. Wow. Look how you
Me, I'm upside
crawl. Except, should we get this? Who cares?
down. What is it?
I don't know.
It's probably
It's the vagina plant.
It's one banana.
Huzzah! Except, hey, you could have just slammed down and you would have bounced off that thing, I think. Actually,
Is
no,
there
you
something in
wouldn't
the
have.
water?
Probably.
Bananas. Oh,
Peas.
called it, dude.
Good job.
Does it matter if me or you get it?
No, it all goes
You
to
sure?
the same cause. Just like the Russians. Alright.
I can't do it. That one doesn't jump down. Just like the what?
The Russians.
Why the Russians?
It all goes to the cause.
Oh. I'll have no politics on my show. Look at this loser with a helmet.
Oh, damn, Morgan.
What?
There's a K up here.
What kind of a K?
Like the Donkey
Oh,
Kong
how do
K.
we get that? Probably didn't want to do that yet, did we?
Probably doesn't matter. So, oh shit. Oh,
Oh, so if we both die, we're like screwed?
can we go again? Damn, that sucks. You have to redo the level. We suck.
Should we restart?
No.
Fine.
Or do you think we should?
What? Keenan, we were supposed to jump off of that to get onto that.
Should we restart?
Fish plant. Wait, I can do this.
Oh, look, look, look.
Oh, you got this.
Except how am I supposed to get on the...
Dude, we screwed this up.
You can exit and restart the whole level.
Alright. We could just cut back to this point. We're so good at this game.
It's kind of hard because you just want to destroy everything. Alright. Do we just need to do jumping 1, 2, 3 or no? We're good, right?
No, we're good. Or if you want to completely restart, that's fine. Do you want to do it?
Sure.
Okay, we don't need to jump. I can just cut it and start here. Do you think Diddy Kong is just like the most annoying thing in the world?
Oh yeah, it's like Scrappy Doo.
Dude, I freaking hate Scrappy Doo, dude.
Hey,
Where
wait.
did you get the watermelon? That worked.
Whoa.
How do we get that
Whoa.
coin?
Whoa. I don't know. I don't know how you get that
Can
coin.
you throw me? This is stupid. Okay. Oh, launch me. Beam me up, Sparky.
Doesn't work.
Stupid. Oh, nailed it. Oh, I'm so smart. Okay, here we go. Welcome back to level 2. Level 2 of... That's pretty funny. It doesn't like... Shit. Oh,
It doesn't
we're good to go.
shit.
It doesn't shit. Secrets. It doesn't like follow you. It seems like it's only following me.
It's because
Or does it only follow the person who's most ahead?
I think the camera likes
Probably just
Diddy
likes
Kong.
me more.
Alright.
Frick.
I didn't mean to do that. Alright, so
How do I
let's
grab-
not destroy these
How
boxes
do I
yet.
grab this? Yeah, don't destroy the boxes.
So Morgan,
Huh.
what's new, buddy?
Not much, dude.
How's
Dude, I don't know.
Hey, wait, should we go down here?
Hold on. I want to F this penguin.
Alright, so wait, maybe we should get all these first. And then
Okay,
do
yeah,
it.
let's get up there.
Nope. Damn.
I'm so freaking good.
I can't even get up that
I can't
box.
see though.
You'll be okay. You'll be okay. How am I supposed to do it? All right.
There we go. Shit. Okay, wait.
As long as you can get that K, I'm happy.
Shit. How did I do that? Okay, I think I'm going too soon. Tell me when it's gonna swing. You can see it better.
I couldn't see it. Okay, come now? Question mark? Maybe you need to wait longer.
How did we do it?
Come now.
Damn,
good.
we're good.
I have good timing.
Okay, now next question.
Huh?
Shit!
How'd you fall off? The fuck? Too soon.
Damn it. Okay.
This is so
I don't know.
fun.
What's new with me? What is new with me? Pretty much nothing is new with me.
Still can't talk to me and play a game at the same time.
No, I can't. That's not new. That's not new at all. Gotcha, bitch. Okay.
I bought a motorcycle.
Shut up.
What? You don't believe me?
No, I don't believe you. I think you're saving your monies for something else.
Yeah.
Like a hooker.
Hookers are expensive, man.
Dude, they're not cheap.
I don't know why they.
Shit.
I don't know why they feel like they have to live on the street.
Oh my gosh. I kind of want to cut and
Whoa,
show
whoa,
what happened in the
whoa.
beginning of this. I don't want. Oh, shit.
How are you supposed to get up? Can you jump higher than that? Oh, there you go. Oh, that seems hard.
I got this. Oh! Keenan, do it. Oh, you only got 5 seconds.
Hey, at least we got bananas.
Yeah, that's okay. I don't know what the puzzle piece does.
You have to get
though.
all the.
Yeah, but what does it do?
Who knows?
What do the coins do?
It doesn't really tell us
Didn't
anything.
you play this game?
So the thing here's the thing.
Oh, and on that previous part, I wanted to show what we. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, dude, your jetpack saved us.
Well, that's you doing the jetpack.
No.
It's not me. I'm not touching
Oh,
anything.
it's me.
And you're drowning us.
I thought you had to do the jetpack.
You think Donkey Kong could just grab Diddy and like straight up drown him? Drag him
Pull him
under.
right under.
Ooh, that's like a macho banana. Oh frick! I don't like the look at that shark. He's got the crazy eyes. He's like, I want you.
Ow!
You just
You
got
can't hit
eaten, dude.
him.
No, why would you hit a shark?
I needed that fucking heart.
I don't think I needed it. That's the funny
You
thing.
didn't. It should automatically give
Ah,
it to the person
frick.
who doesn't need it, or who does need it.
No! That was like a sincere.
Oh, go this way. Go this way.
Why? Do you think there's something?
Probably. Nope.
Oh, yeah, there
Oh, yeah,
is.
there
Yeah,
is.
there is. I can probably get there. I don't think you can. Oh shit!
Don't think I can.
Shut up! You're.
Oh!
Shit! I
Damn,
did the exact
we
same
both died
thing
at the
you
same
did.
time. Uh-oh.
Did that just waste 2 of our balloons?
Yep. So don't die at the same time. Moral of the story here.
Oh, do we gotta get this thing
I think
again?
so.
Oh, that's stupid. It should just save our progress.
Don't know how I did that.
You did
but
that with finesse. Are you punching the roof?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna make the vagina flower spit on you.
Don't make vagina flower spit. What is that?
It's a
Ice sack? No, seriously, what does it do? Does it do something?
Oh! What did you just do?
I threw a thingy at it.
Ow!
Now, how do we get it?
I got it.
Oh. I don't know, dude. What is
Damn
new
it!
What is new with me? Did you just die?
Yes. Here, get my barrel.
Touch my barrel. Oh, I got a heart.
Oh my god.
Did you just get hit again?
Oh, I get the heart.
Oh, I wanted to get the
No,
heart.
you don't need it.
Oh, I can't see. Shit. Come on. Yeah, just teleport me. Okay, what does the balloon do?
It gives us lives.
Frick. Gave you life.
No, it gives. We both use balloons.
Shit, so every time you die, it's taking it away from me?
Same goes for you. Every time you die, it takes away from me. How long can monkeys hold their breath?
I don't know. But, oh, you're going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. I'm going into the abyss and don't know what's going on.
Ooh, banana swim time.
That's actually pretty, like...
Ooh, puzzle pieces. Ooh.
It's kind of entrancing.
Yeah, like if I just went...
Oh, shit! I'm gonna die! Wait, I need air!
Oh! Oh, look, so...
I didn't even realize
air
that.
bubbles, air bubbles.
I know.
I thought we could just swim forever.
I just got that. I know, it's like super entrancing. I freaking hate water levels, though.
Yeah, Mario...
Dude, Mario water levels just need to not be a thing. I'm gonna get them all. Damn it.
Almost.
I don't know, dude. I can't talk about myself and play like you say. So what's new with you? Ow.
Oh, don't hit him.
Yeah, he's an
What's new
angry
with me?
fish.
School sucks and started.
Dude, yeah. So what are you doing in school?
Construction management.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What?
Oh, you just said construction. Shit.
That sucks.
I'm coming alive, Keenan.
Better be over here.
Get my barrel.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh, dear.
Oh no. Oh no. There we go.
There we go. Sweet.
I don't know, dude. Life's just kind of boring. Whatever.
Life
I
sucks.
just got back from Washington D.C.
Dude, yeah. Tell me about your trip.
Dude, there's so many homeless people there.
Is there?
I don't want to be mean.
There's a lot of
but-
homeless people everywhere, though.
But like every day I got asked for money, and it really just gets annoying after a while. You're like, bro, I'm in college. Like I don't have that much more money than you do.
You got more money than me, bro.
Yeah, like
I owe the state.
And the thing that bugs me too is a lot of the times, like this lady, for example, came up and she's like, yeah, she's like, I hate that people keep staring at me like I'm homeless and blah blah blah. She's like, I just need money for groceries for my kids, and she was walking alone in this area where there's no
groceries.
There's no grocery stores. And I'm like, oh, I just got hit by those spiny things.
Get that.
Oh. Assume the position.
Duck, Porky.
And I'm like, lady,
Oh, how do we get
I'm
up?
like, do you know where a store is?
Ooh, is that a good thing?
I don't know, did we just get one?
I don't know. I thought it said
I'm like, if you know where a store is, I'll go and buy you some groceries. I don't mind spending some money on some groceries. And I was like, do you know, is there a supermarket nearby? And she's like, because I would. I mean, I don't know, 10, 20 bucks. I'll buy her some groceries.
I'll buy you a sandwich.
Why the hell not? And then she's like, oh, I don't know of any places in this area. I'm like, oh, well, what about like in a 7-Eleven?
Maybe you should go somewhere where there are places.
Like, go outside of a Walmart and just someone will buy you $10 of groceries. Like, I think she wanted money, and I don't carry cash anyway.
Yeah. Dude, I hate that. And then, have you ever had someone say, well, I could use your debit card?
Yeah.
Have you had someone say that?
They say that they accept
that
cards?
happened to me once.
How do they accept cards, though?
Dude, that's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. They go get cash back or something. I don't know. Okay. Whoa, long time don't see. I can't speak. You read.
You say Wong Tong no shi.
Long time no see. He turned into an angry Japanese monkey.
I think he talks like this, dude. Whoa.
Welcome to Funky Flying Boss.
Is he Japanese now? Well, it's just flying by and
don't tell me you forgot your power. Never mind. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're done.
We're moving on. Okay. What does this do?
What's the heart boost?
Probably gives you an extra heart.
It's a heart. You'd better not think too much about that, bro.
Bruh. Capsule toy machine. What?
Tubular. How much are all these things?
Wait. I don't know what that means. This stuff is awesome. I have no idea what it is. What?
Banana juice. What's the shield?
Vehicle trouble?
I think you drive vehicles at some point. So he probably squawks when you're close to puzzle piece.
Yeah, he helps you find puzzle pieces.
What's the balloons?
I think we should get a heart.
What are the balloons?
Oh, this brand new blue balloon has everything you need for some excellent underwater airtime.
What's the red?
Pitfall got you way down. This balloon already lifts your spirits. I have no idea.
Oh,
maybe that's like if you fall, you just jump up.
Oh,
hey, we weren't gonna be racist.
That's how he's talking.
Okay, I vote a heart. Is this just for me? Oh, we have an inventory.
Oh wait, what did green say? Adds 1 extra heart for the level. Oh, just for the level.
Oh, that's it. Oh, temporarily invincible? I think that's the way to go. Oh, they're like one-time use things. Should we just save our money?
Yeah, so what was the green? Go back to inventory. That little menu you saw?
Oh. Whoops. How do I do it? It's X.
What's green? Balloon.
Saves you from falling most of the time.
So, is that just a one, like if you fall one time?
I think these are one-level things.
Weird.
Automatically gives you Dixie Kong. Oh. I'll take Dixie Kong whenever I can have her.
The hot blonde? Hell yeah.
I thought she was the little girl.
You can't say that.
I'm gonna cut that out.
You can't say that.
No. I apologize. I did not. No. We're watching a stupid show called Handmaid's Tale. You ever seen
we
it?
and your wife?
Yeah, me and my wife.
It sounds boring.
And one of the dudes gets married off to a girl that's like 12 years old.
Wait.
And I was like,
one of the dudes gets married off to a girl. Don't you mean the girl gets married off to a guy?
No, the guy is forcibly married to this girl.
She wants to marry the
No.
guy? Oh,
but the political system forces them to get married. And so, I don't know.
12 years old. You're like,
I know. There hasn't been good things in my brain. Not that I'm thinking about.
Oh.
No, you can't say that either. You know what? That's not what I'm thinking about, though. But that show is like literally soul darkening. It's not a feel-good show.
You want to tell me more about the show in the next episode?
Yeah, maybe.
Also, you are thinking about it.
Okay. Goodbye. Probably not.